subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Soon after launching Itel A60, the company has now launched another budget-friendly phone in India called Itel P40 with quite cool looking design. Now let's see the specifications of the smartphone. The Itel P40 features a large 6.6-inch HD Plus IPS display with a standard 60Hz refresh rate support, and it has a water drop notch at the top center that carries a 5-megapixel selfie shooter. The rear panel of the phone supports an AI-featured dual camera setup at the top left corner that includes one 13-megapixel main camera along with the VGA sensor. Under the hood, the Itel P40 comes powered by UniSoC SE98638 chipset, paired with 2, 3 or 4 GB of RAM that can be extended up to 3 GB by using internal storage, and it has 32 or 64 GB of onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 512 GB via dedicated microSD card slot. The device comes backed by a massive 6000 mAh battery with 18W fast charging support, and it runs on Android 12 on the Go edition. Additionally, the smartphone also features a rear-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a microUSB charging port. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Itel P40 has been priced in India at 7,699 Indian rupees, and it will be available for purchase in black, blue, and gold color options. So what do you guys think of this Itel P40 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.
Yeah.